Hi, message made simple. If people keep asking you to repeat again, your messages are too complex. Complex language doesn't make you smart, it makes you misunderstood. In 3 minutes, I will show you how to make any message simple and powerful. Simple communication is not low level, it is a high level skill that leaders and experts master. 3-step simplify method. Step 1, one goal. What's the one thing I want them to remember? Step 2, remove jargon. Replace technical words if not required for that audience. Step 3, use example. One small example takes any message 10x clearer. Take a jargon heavy line common in your industry and simplify it for a new training. Show both versions back to back and ask which one would a new team member understand. 1 minute daily practice. Tip: once a day, take one sentence you said or wrote and try to reduce it by 30% words without losing the meaning. This builds lifelong communication strength. If you are ready to make your message simple and powerful, hit like and subscribe. This channel is for students, freshers and working professionals who want strong communication, clear reports and better meetings. Comment simple with one complicated sentence you want help simplifying, and I will pick a few to fix in the comments or a future video. Next, watch my video on report writing and clarity to continue your communication mastery. Thank you.